Hi, let's continue with Module 6, Getting Around, Smart Kids, and our lesson standard is 3.2.2, which means we are going to do a reading activity today. In today's lesson, we will start with vocabulary. Next, we will do a listening and reading task. We will continue with grammar, and we will end with an activity.
Module 6 Smart Kids Vocabulary 5 minutes 10 minutes 15 minutes 20 minutes 25 minutes 30 minutes 35 minutes 40 minutes 45 minutes 50 minutes 55 minutes 60 minutes Leave Arrive
Okay, now please refer to your Get Smart Plus 4 students book and turn to page 60. Let's listen to the audio together. Where are the children going to go tomorrow? I want you to listen, and at the same time, I want you to read.
1. Where are the children going to go tomorrow? Listen and read. Good morning, class. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Mrs. Rummer?
We're going to visit the zoo.
Wow! How are we going to get there?
By bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes, Greg.
Yeah.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning.
So we're going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50, right, Mrs. Rummer?
Yes, Greg. Is that all?
Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Rummer.
Next section is grammar focus. I want you to look at this box. Let's read the sentences. How are we going to get there? By bus, by car, by bike, by train, or by plane. When you want to tell someone the means of transport you use to reach a place, you want to tell someone how you go to a place, make sure you use by. And after that, you must add the means of transport. For example, by bus. If you use a bus, we say by bus. If you use a car, we say by car, and so on. Let's say you go to a place, you walk. Okay, you walk to a place. then you should say on foot. How are we going to get there? On foot. How long does it take? Okay, if you want to tell the time, okay, how long does it take? 20 minutes. Okay, when you hear someone ask you how long, okay, how long means it's referring to the time. So you can say 20 minutes or 10 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, next. What time does the bus leave? Or what time does the bus arrive? We must use the word at. Okay, make sure we use the word at if you want to tell the time. It leaves at 10:10. Or we can say it arrives at 10:10. Let's try one exercise. Okay, look at the story again. Okay, let's read again. I want all of you to read again and we will complete the notes. Good morning, class. Tomorrow we are going to go on a school trip. Where, Mrs. Rama? We are going to visit the zoo. Wow! How are we going to get there? By bus. How long does it take by bus? It takes about 40 minutes, Greg. Yeah. What time does the bus leave? The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning. So, we are going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50, right, Mrs. Rama? Yes, Greg. Is that all? Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Rama. Okay, let's complete this note. Okay, we have one example given here. Okay, the date. Okay, look at the answer, 30th May. Now, look at the next info. We need to find this. Trip to the. We need to find the destination. Where are they going? Can you tell me the answer? Yes. Okay, they are going to go to the zoo. Next, look at here. Going by. Remember just now? When we use by, that means we must mention the means of transport they are going to use. How are they going to the zoo? Yes, they are going to the zoo by bus. Next, we need to complete these two notes. We leave at, we arrive at. Okay, see the clue here? At. That means we must give the time. The first one, we leave at. What time are they going to leave? Look at here. The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning. So the answer for this one is 10:10. And the next information, we arrive at, look at number 5. So we are going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50, right, Mrs. Rama? So what time are they going to arrive? 10:50. Well done. Now, it's time for your homework. Can you please turn to page 61 of your student's book? I want you to do two activities today. The first one is activity 4. I want you to listen to the audio and circle the correct answer. Are you ready?
4. Listen and circle. 1,
So, Gary, are you going to come to my party tomorrow at 5:30?
Sure. What time did you say it's going to be? At 3:30?
No, it's going to be at 5:30.
5:30. Right.
2,
Do you know how to get there? You can ride your bike there or come by bus.
How long does it take to get there?
Well, it's faster by bus. It takes 15 minutes by bus and 50 minutes by bike.
50 minutes by bike. That's a lot. I'm going to come by bus then.
That's a good idea.
3,
So, what bus do I take?
You take bus B8 from Barry Station. It leaves at 5:15.
I'm sorry. Did you say 5:50?
No, it leaves at 5:15.
Okay. So, I take bus B8 at 5:15, right?
Yes, that's right.
Thanks, Alice. Bye.
See you tomorrow, Gary.
Your second homework is activity 5 on the same page, page 61. Okay, I want you to imagine you are going on a trip and fill in the table about your trip. Since we are at home now, it is impossible for you to ask your friends. So what I want you to do is, please try to ask your brothers, your sisters, your siblings, or you may also ask your parents, your mom or your dad. Try to get the information and fill in the table. Please listen to this audio to guide you on how to answer and how to get the answers. Ready? Okay, let's listen now.
5. Imagine you're going on a trip. Fill in the table about your trip. Then ask your friend and fill in the table about his or her trip.
Where are you going to go? I'm going to go to the park. How are you going to get there?
By bike.
What time are you going to leave?
At 5 to 10.
That is all for today. Thank you for joining in. Please complete your work and don't forget to WhatsApp your teacher. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.